Hello and welcome to GEI's English Education Center. This is the E-Lounge where students can come, relax and study at their own pace. We have a multimedia center set up where students can study online or watch movies and study, as well as several books that the students can study from at their leisure. We also have several iPads on hand that students can use to play games and study. So we hope that many students come here and, again, at their own pace, study as they see fit. The call room has 42 computers that students can use to study online to improve their English skills. As each computer is equipped with a headset, the students can use the computers to study all 4 English skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. The call room has very flexible hours, so students can come and go as they please as it suits his or her schedule. The center room handles all the administration for the English Education Center. Students can come in and receive guidance on things such as overseas study, English examinations such as the TOEIC or the Tourism English Proficiency Test, as well as any general questions they may have about English education. We look forward to seeing you here at GEI University. Thank you very much. Goodbye.